We were asked to check out this electric air duster. This is how it shows up in the box. Really nice. It feels kind of heavy. Let's take a look at it. Let's open it up here. Definitely feels substantial. There we go. Oh wow, this is definitely got a lot of weight to it. Looks like I'll need to charge it before we can use it, but looks like it's got a charging cable here and a wand so you can adjust. Oh, it looks like it'll screw in to this side. It's an aluminum wand, and it looks like, can I take this part off? Oh, there we got some battery happening. Alright, looking forward to using this one. Definitely well made. It's all aluminum. The tubes are aluminum. Really looking forward to checking this one out. Want to thank them for sending us this one to check out. Hope this helps.